Friends, we're here in the official Samsung store of Sydney. We're gonna be checking out 5G, baby. We're gonna get some radio waves in my brains just to find out how good the camera is. Live focus video. Are you ready? Let's go in. Alright, this is the Samsung Galaxy 5G. And it's got live focus video. What it does is it adds that background blur effect, so everything's blurry when it's not in focus, and you choose the amount of blur you want to give the scene. Cool, isn't it?
That's really cool. You gonna get one?
No, man. Let's see if it does it this way around as well. So you got live focus video on this way around, so this will be pretty cool. So it's my face. There's no blur there. This one is maximum blur. You can see. It's not perfect, but it's still pretty sleek. It's a bit jaggedy.
Oh yeah, it's wavy, isn't it?
It's still cool though. Yo, what's up? Background blur. So there is a bit of errors. It's not perfect, but it's still pretty cool. This is you. So that bit's all blurry. That's all blurry. You can see there's a little bit of correction. You know, it misses a few bits. It does look really nice though. You can see the effect. It's a good job. It's very light, you know. It's very light. It's weird because I don't think it is lighter, but it feels lighter than my S9. I think it's because it's wider, because it's a lot bigger. The mass is spread over a lot more space, so it does feel lighter. It feels like a good size to hold. You can customize it, but by default the icons are a bit large. You got that notch. Don't even notice the notch, you know. Feels alright.
Show me the back. Whoa.
You got all these serious cameras. Yeah.
Whoa, this is big. Oh my gosh. It's like a tablet. It's a bit too big for my small little hand. It's huge.
You don't like it?
No, it's humongous. Oh my gosh, it's evolved from your one as well. It's like even bigger. It feels like a tablet, like it's heavy. I think it's heavier. Did you say it's heavier or lighter?
Oh, lighter.
It's only because you got a case on. I think it's because you got a case on yours. It feels heavy to me. But yeah, I feel like if you're impaired visually, then this might be a good one for you because it's such a big screen, and you can just click on it and off you go. Look, Bixby's there still. Bixby. Oh, okay, Bixby was there. All right. Ooh, hello. It's nice, you know. I like it. Ooh, different effects. Hey, I blurred you out. Get out my picture. What's that one do? Well, I'm blurring my... Look at this one, look at this one. My hair is getting blurred. Oh yeah, there's so much like error with that one. This one's like, you make it vintage effect, so straight onto Instagram, look at that. Make it vintage, vignette, I mean. You can add for 2 people. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
That's just normal photo.
It's just normal, exactly.
Swipe right.
Oh wow, and then you can even do it again. 2 people. Don't know what you're doing here, but that's pretty cool. You know, the new one has actually got a wider field of view than the old one.
Wow.
It's really interesting. Yeah, this has got a wider field of view. That's really interesting, isn't it? That's so cool. What about video mode? Okay, that's interesting because video mode is more zoomed in on the 5G. And I look a bit yellow. Don't I? Yeah, the colours are a bit funky.